Good evening. Anything that we discuss today would be for educational purposes only. I would like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Flow. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using various live streaming technologies. You can follow along as I navigate the markets by trading in my own account, and hopefully, you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose for making this video is to discuss Nifty on multiple time frames as well as a view for tomorrow, that is 14th October. We would be analyzing options open interest data as well as discussing a stock watch list, and I would also be telling you how you can access digital trading flow for free for 12 months. So let's begin. First of all, I would be telling you about how you can subscribe to digital trading flow for free for 12 months. All you have to do is type in your web browser www.digitaltradingflow.org, and once the website opens, you just have to click on pricing. Once you click on pricing, there would be multiple boxes, and one box would be telling you about what is digital trading flow, and other boxes would be providing you with options for subscription. So digital trading flow is a platform where I would be broadcasting my live trading from 9:15 to 3:30 p.m. and the live stream would be public, accessible by everyone from 9:15 to 10 a.m. and the private live stream content from 10 to 3:30 p.m. would be accessible only to the customers who subscribe using the various referral links provided in this on this page. So the if you see, we provide options of multiple brokers. So the most value for money proposition would be to access it via Samco. So all you have to do is use my franchisee referral link, and as you all know, I'm an authorized business partner of Samco. You just have to register your account by entering your name, email, and mobile number, and create a demat and trading account or both. So once your account would be created, you would be able to access the private live stream content for the next 12 months. So the max pain for Nifty is at 11,900 level. So this is the level at which, if options were to expire on 15th October, option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses. And if we see options in open interest data for today, we will see that around 2.92 crore shares of calls have been written versus 2.80 crore shares of puts overall. And broadly speaking, we are in the range of 12,000 to 12,000 level to 11,800 levels for the near term. And if we see the overall open interest change for today, we will see that today almost 23 lakh shares of put were written versus 20 lakh shares of calls. And if we see overall today on the call strike, we will see that higher strike calls like 12,300 strikes, 12,400 strikes, they saw their open interest reduce. So what that means is that option writers of those out of the money call strikes, they have booked their profits, and option buyers of out of money strikes, they have booked their losses. And we will see overall that today maximum amount of puts were written at 11,900 levels. And if we see on 11,800 strike calls, there was open interest reduction as well. So for the near term, we can say that market has strong support around 11,800 odd levels. So for the near term, as you discussed earlier, market is broadly in a range of 12,000 level to 11,000 levels. And if we see straddle charts today, what you will observe is that today almost all straddle strikes, 11,800, 11,900 and 12,000 straddle strikes, they all basically today traded below their previous day lows and trended down. And 11,900 also traded below previous day low and trended down. And if we see 12,000 strike again, it broke previous day lows and trended down. So what you will observe today is that all these strikes, they were trending down today, so which tells us that it was due to theta decay which was happening. And if you see from strikes 11,800 to 12,200 level strikes, so here you will see that all the strikes, calls and puts, they all have lost their time value today. So that is why we saw that all 11,800, 11,900 and 12,000 straddles, they decayed today due to theta decay. So if you observe that on the daily time frame, today we had an inside candlestick. Last inside candlestick happened on 30th of September, and which broke to the upside and traded higher. So tomorrow we have to see which side it breaks and trade accordingly. And if we see on monthly time frame, Nifty is under control of buyer as market is above 11,364 levels, and on weekly time frame market is currently under control of sellers, and we can see below 11,973 levels, and on daily time frame we had an inside candlestick. So basically, although market on monthly time frame is under control of buyers, but for this week we basically sellers are trying to take the market down. But here we can see this inside candlestick, it just shows that there is balance between buyers and sellers overall. So we have to see in which direction this inside candlestick breaks, and we have to trade accordingly. So our analysis for tomorrow would be above 11,934 level we can potentially trade towards today's high 11,988, and above that 12,015 and 12,049 potentially, and below today's lows 11,888 we can trade towards 11,861, 11,827 and potentially 11,788 levels. So basically it is just confirming the overall open interest data, that is we are potentially in a 11,800 to 12,000 broad range in Nifty. And now if we analyze our stock watch list, then the stocks that I have chosen are Bharti Airtel, Tata Steel, Jindal Steel and Power Grid. If you see Bharti Airtel, it is an inside candlestick, so we have to be flexible to trade it in both the directions. And if we see Tata Steel, it's again an inside candlestick, and Jindal Steel is also an inside candlestick, and Power Grid is also an inside candlestick. So just like Nifty, we have to be flexible in these all these stocks. I would summarize again that broadly speaking, Nifty is in a range of 11,800 to 12,000 levels, and on daily time frame in Nifty, today we had an inside candlestick. So we have to be flexible tomorrow to trade either the break to the upside or to the downside. And the stock watch list was Bharti Airtel, Tata Steel, Jindal Steel and Power Grid. So here I would like to conclude this video and tell you that to see the description link for to see various products that Samco offers, and I would like to thank you for watching this video. Like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you.